Heard about Bitcoin hitting crazy highs and wondered, what even is crypto? And why is everyone obsessed? Hey, what's good? I'm your name, and today I'm breaking down cryptocurrency for total beginners. No jargon, no stress. In just 10 minutes, you'll know what crypto is, why it's a big deal, and how to start without losing your shirt. Stick around, this is gonna open your eyes. Alright, let's start simple. Cryptocurrency is digital money. Unlike dollars or euros sitting in your bank, crypto lives online. You can send it to anyone, anywhere, without a middleman. Boom, instant. Think of it like Venmo, but global and bank-free. Popular ones, Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe Dogecoin if you're feeling me. Why is it cool? No bank fees, no government controlling it, and it's secure thanks to something called a blockchain. Don't worry, we'll get to that in a sec. For now, no crypto's like the internet's own money, and it's growing fast. So why is everyone hyped about crypto? Let's talk Bitcoin, the OG. Created in 2009 by a mysterious dude named Satoshi, Bitcoin's like digital gold. Only 21 million will ever exist, so it's rare, and that drives its value nuts, sometimes $60,000 for one coin. But the real magic? Blockchain. Picture a Google Doc nobody can hack, shared across millions of computers. Every crypto transaction gets recorded there. Transparent, secure, no shady bank needed. Blockchain's why crypto's not just a fad, it's changing how we trust money. Ready to dip your toes in? Here's how to start. First, pick a trusted exchange. Think Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. These are like apps where you buy crypto with regular money. Set up an account, verify your ID, it's quick. Next, you need a wallet. This isn't a leather thing, it's an app or device that stores your crypto keys. Hot wallets, like phone apps, are great for small amounts. Cold wallets, like a USB, are Fort Knox for big bucks. Start small. Maybe buy $20 of Bitcoin to test it out. Quick tip: only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto's exciting, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Now let's talk mistakes so you don't cry later. Number 1, scams. If someone DMs you promising 10 times returns or a free Bitcoin giveaway, run! Never share your wallet's private keys. That's like giving away your bank PIN. Another trap? Chasing hype. Crypto prices can crash 20% in a day. Yep, it's a roller coaster. Don't panic sell when it dips, and don't FOMO when it moons. Research coins before buying, and ignore TikTok gurus yelling, "This coin's next." Alright, let's recap crypto's digital money powered by blockchain, with coins like Bitcoin leading the way. Start small, use trusted platforms, and watch out for scams. It's a wild world, but you're now way ahead of most beginners. If you loved this, smash that like button, it helps me make more. Subscribe and hit the bell for weekly crypto tips to keep you sharp. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I read everyone. And if you're curious, check out my playlist on crypto basics linked below. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay curious, stay safe.